Naomi Ortiz, and I'm a regular volunteer at the NRH shelter. There's so many different ways to get involved if you are interested. One of the ways that I got involved was several years ago. My dog had passed away, and so I was looking for an opportunity to kind of fill that void without the commitment of adoption. Went up to the animal shelter and asked them a few questions of like how I can get involved. They handed me a form which you fill out your basic information, which is just your address, your phone number, your name, and then what you would want to do and the time period you would want to do it in. And the great thing about volunteering at animal shelters is how flexible they are. So there are some of the people that I met that were volunteering were on a set schedule. So they'd go like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 to noon, or there's other people that were doing it more for community service hours, and they would have like a set 4-hour day. When getting started volunteering at an animal shelter, they do have a list of duties that they want to be taken care of, but you do have the option of choosing what you want to get involved with. And one of the things that I decided to get involved with was the interaction. But the other duties that I've seen other people take care of are cleaning the pens. One of the things that's really important is for the animals to be in a healthy environment. And so keeping that tidy throughout the day is very important. Another thing is keeping them fed and keeping them clean, and my favorite thing was just being involved with them. There's so many animals in there that just need some love.